Sheesh. God damn. Fuck, these look wet as fuck. You know what I'm saying? Holy fuck, it's hot inside here. Jesus Christ. Lower these bitches down. Whew, fuck. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I got a product that might help most of you guys out. For the boys that are rocking out, you know, the cruise control, and you know, you guys got it like me, double-sided tape in this bitch, or Velcro. I'm about to save you guys right now because I just purchased something that will help literally everyone out, and it's gonna help this issue out because this shit's whack. And every time when I'm turning, either this shit like falls off or it's like hitting back of this shit. So yes sir, we're gonna change that shit today. Also, I bought a GoPro too because you got to get those POV shots, you know what I'm saying? I might be switching out to this and see how the GoPro does instead of my camera that I've been using, but I'm not sure yet because I don't know how good this shit's gonna be. So I might switch it up because this one does have the the super view, so that way you could literally see everything from the car. All right, so we're switching over to the GoPro now. I'm not sure. I do have an external mic for this one, so I'm not sure how good the quality is gonna sound, but this is the GoPro. It's on like the wide angle lens, not on the super view. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the super view right now. So this is the super view. This is fucking dope. So that way when I do you know, POV shots, y'all can see literally everything. Shout out to these guys. They're the ones that created this plate. I'm gonna leave their website in the description. So that's what we're gonna do right now. We're gonna relocate this so that way the cruise control is more secure and not dangling like this piece of shit. It does come with like hardware, so pretty simple. Kada bing, kada boom. I'm gonna go ahead and take off these bolts and you know, slap it on. It's pretty simple. And just like that, man, that shit's secure as fuck. You don't got that shit dangling no more. So I think this is really fucking helpful for the boys that have the relocated cruise controller buttons. This is very firm, so it was only like 50 bucks. So I would suggest you guys cop one because it comes really in handy. That way, you know, if you know, you know, that shit's not like going fucking everywhere. This bang on here or it would fall off because it was too hot, so the tape would, you know, like it would kind of melt. Damn, I'm happy with this. Worth my 50 bucks. I recommend you guys go buy this because it's a must if you're rocking this shit like me. See no mask. You know how to cop one of these, bro. Like, amazing. But anyways, I've been driving around. This shit is literally the best 50 bucks I ever spent. I don't even bang on the back part here anymore, and it's like so smooth. So y'all should go buy this. I'll leave the link down below. Shout out to DND for making this bracket. Also, this video is not sponsored by them. Hey, shut your ass up. This video is not sponsored by them, but you know, hopefully soon I could collab with them because I'm rocking, you know, their steering wheel, their like shirt hub, whatever this shit is. I forgot what it's called, and I'm rocking the bracket, so maybe soon I could collab with them, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, best 50 bucks I ever spent on this. Thank you, DND, for making this bracket. Yo, I don't know if you guys can hear me or not, but this literally the best. show you a little walk around of the Z real quick. I just gotta boost this bitch, and that should be cool. But anyways, guys, yeah, I asked you guys on Instagram to ask me some questions, and you guys did, so I'm gonna go ahead and answer them for you guys. I just don't want this video to be hella short. How much money have you invested in the Z? Well, like cosmetics, I would say like 10 G's. I don't know, cause I would estimate around like 10 G's with like wheels, brakes, carbon fiber, literally everything, seats, steering wheel, like 10 G's, I guess. Fuck, that's hella. Literally, the car scene's a money pit, man. If you guys are wondering if you guys should join the car scene, if you want to be in a money pit, fuck it, do it. If not, you know, then don't. So, if you could redo anything on your car, what would it be? Something that I would want to redo is, fuck, honestly nothing. How many miles are in my Z? Well, I have 56,000. Are you gonna drop the mamalona? Hell no, I ain't gonna drop the mamalona. Actually, I want to lift it more and put some sick ass wheels on that bitch. How much do you spend on your insurance? So I only spend like $100 on my insurance. So $100 times 12, that's 1,200. So 1,200 a year. What's been your favorite mod by far that you've done to the Z? Honestly, my exhaust, my Tony exhaust. I love that shit, and I'll never sell that shit. Really, it was expensive, but you know, love that bitch. How long have you been in the YouTube game? Any advice? I think I've been like for 2 years on YouTube. My advice I would give to someone is don't slack off. You know, keep it consistent, and you're gonna blow up. My error that I made is like I would post a video, and then I'd post like 2 videos a month, and you're never gonna grow off of that shit. So keep it coming, keep the videos consistent, you know, keep pushing, keep making ideas, and just be consistent and work your ass off for something that you really want. Don't let it die off, and then try to come back to it, because then it's gonna be tough to come back, because then, you know, your followers are gonna be like, what the fuck, like this guy he posted something and then goes ghost. Like, that's what you don't want. Advice for a young individual interested in starting a brand. First, you know, have an idea of what you want to do, what you want to put out, and an idea of what your brand is going to be called, you know, and be firm with it, you know what I'm saying? Sit on it for a while, you know. So if you have a brand name, sit on it for a while, because you might switch up, you might not like it in a month or two, and then you're like, fuck, why I did all this shit, but I don't like how it is. Sit on your brand name for a while, and then, you know, while you're doing that, build off your platform. So that's on social media, Instagram, YouTube, you know, TikTok, Twitter. Build that shit, so that way when you're ready to drop your first your merch, you'll have some sales, because you don't want to put out a brand that's not known and your platforms are not big. Like, I just feel like it doesn't add up. So just build your platform first and then start your brand. Get a whiteboard and write down what you want to put out for that brand. So that's like shirts, hoodies, etc., you know, etc. shit. And just have a whiteboard of the ideas you want to do for that brand and your brand name, and sit on that shit for a while and build your platform for it, so that when you're ready, you're gonna have sales. So yeah, guys, that's it for the questions. I didn't want to, you know, take too long with the questions. Make this video Q&A kind of. I just kind of wanted to I didn't want to put out a short ass video for you guys, but I hope I answered your questions. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, double thumbs up if you want to see more builds on this channel, because giving a thumbs up does help me a lot. So make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and catch you guys in the next video.